Hello, this is Tracy Ansminger. I'm here to visit with you for a few minutes about our communications at USD 420. We have internal and external, and I'll take a few minutes to explain that. Internal communications are private. It occurs between students, maybe between students and teachers, staff, administration, and school board. That is our internal communications that stay within our school. External, the public side of communication, can be between students and or teachers and parents, uh, administration and businesses, or with civic groups, faith-based organizations, or other members of USD 420. Okay, internal communications. They serve as the social conscience of the organization. Communication that takes place between members, formal and informal. It's high frequency communication, meaning it happens a lot throughout the day. It flows within the organization. USD 420 internal communications, we have the district website. That's the main place where people would go to get their information. Of course, Power School for the grades, parents, and communication there. Email, Seesaw, Google Docs, weekly agenda goes out to the staff. We have sit-in meetings and staff meetings, obviously, and social media. Our external communications involve some of the same types of internal communication. It serves to build and protect organizational reputation. It occurs between the organization and external parties. It's going to be mostly formal. It maintains relationships or exchanges information with outside parties. Some examples of external communications: customers, shareholders, in our case, stakeholders, investors, clients, general public, suppliers, creditors, things of that nature. So USD 420, external communications. Again, like I said, we have our district website, SwiftK texting and phone messaging, community newsletter, board meetings. They're open to the public, but if people don't want to attend, they can watch it later or the next night, I think, on the district website. Evaluate internal public's communication. Staff email communications occur daily. It's two-way conversation, just like staff to parents and or students daily through Seesaw or Google Class and or PowerSchool. They're all two-way conversations. Extending, students use Chromebooks and are required to take them home daily. They frequently communicate via email. This is how I know that we're able to maintain a two-way communication with the students and the parents. Parents use PowerSchool to communicate with staff utilizing two-way conversation. To prove, I could say staff communicates with parents through phone calls, emails, and PowerSchool, and face-to-face as needed. It's two-way conversations. A requirement of two-way communication. Between administration and staff, obviously, we're going to require a two-way communication between the staff members and paras, staff and parents, and staff and students. And again, we all prefer two-way communication. No one wants a one-way communication. It's not even a communication, it's a message between administration and staff members and paras, staff parents, and staff and students. Same stakeholders, we just prefer that two-way communication. So who communicates what and to who? So administration communicates about the well-being of stakeholders. Current and future success of students are typically communicated by all staff. Engaging stakeholders and diverse members and staff to strengthen school learning, all staff. School improvement, administration advocating for the needs of stakeholders, that would be all staff. Sorry about that, guys. Hang on. Okay, people that I would like to see get more involved in some of our communication at school. I believe that stakeholders would like to hear more about students' success from teachers, maybe not so much administration. I believe that administration should be far more involved in engaging community members, more community outreach programs, trying to get people, parents into the building to communicate with the teachers. All staff should be involved in supporting school improvement. And I think all stakeholders should be advocating for the school and community because after all, it is their community, it's their school, right? So, and here are my references. Thank you for watching my recording.